Okay, so for the inversions, there's a very simple trick for forming inversions. We have three inversions. We have root inversion, first inversion, and second inversion in every key. So like we are on F sharp, and every number has those three inversions. Be it number 1, be it number 2, be it number 3, be it 4, be it 5, be it 6, 7. All of them has three inversions. So I'm going to show you all the inversions. So for our number 1, if you play it like this is called root inversion. So to make first inversion from root inversion, what you actually do, you do this. You see this thumb, you take it here where the first finger was. Then this first finger, you take it where the third finger was, the second finger was. Then you look for the key that you left this other side. It was F sharp, so you look for it this other side. So it's this. You play it this other side. Like you just transfer the first note this other side. You see? So you transfer this other note this side, so you play it like this. That is the first inversion. Then for second inversion, you do the same. You transfer this note this other side. Very understandable. So root inversion for 1, first inversion for 1, second inversion for 1. Are you seeing? You play the F sharp, A sharp, and C sharp. Root inversion. First inversion, you play the A sharp, C sharp, and F sharp. Then for second inversion, you play F sharp, C sharp, F sharp, and A sharp. You just transfer the notes. Then for our number 2, root inversion, you transfer this one this other side. It's this one. Then again you transfer this one this other side. So that's first inversion, then second inversion for number 2. So root inversion, first inversion, second inversion. Then for the 3, root inversion, you transfer this one this other side. Root inversion, first inversion, then second inversion. Then for our number 4, root inversion, you transfer this one this other side. That is first inversion. Then you transfer this one this other side. That is second inversion. Number 5, root inversion, you transfer this one this other side. First inversion, second inversion. Then for our number 6, root inversion, then our first inversion, you transfer this one this other side. There it is. So you play this one like that. Then second inversion. Then our number 7, that is the root inversion. You just transfer it. You take this one this other side. The F it's here. So you play these notes and you play the F this side. Then for our second inversion, sorry for the camera. You see? So it's very simple for the inversions. Very simple. So just our 1, this is our 1. Root, first, second. Number 2, root, first, second. Number 3, root, first, second. Number 4, root, first, second. Number 5, root, first, second. Number 6, root, first, second. Number 7, root, first, second. Those are the most important things to know. The inversions. So that when you play, you can just play. You can play one like that, you can play one like this, you can also play one like this. You can play a 4 like this, you can also play it like this. After mastering the inversions, I want you to master the inversions first. Just master them so that when I start playing the progressions, it will be very easy. You just know what I'm playing.